So after learning the basics of stock market and understanding how the stock market works, from where will you get the information about various companies so that you can make investments? So there are a lot of websites which provide information about the companies like moneycontrol.com, Trendline, RateStar, Screener, TickerTape. There are a lot of websites. So you can check out these websites and see which you are comfortable with and then use that particular website which you are having very comfortable. So also there are some information which is provided in one website which is not there in another website. So you can do a combination also. Let me show you an example of a Trendline website as to how you can find information about the companies, and it is a very easy to use website also. So friends, you can see this is the Trendline website and I am searching about the Infosys Limited, this particular company. Here this is the overview screen of the Infosys. Here we can see what is the 52-week high and low, and what is the 1 year returns of Infosys, what is 1 year return versus Nifty 50, what is the market cap of the company, and what are the SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. So this is basically the overview of the company. Then if you come down, you can see the chart, price chart, and you can see for various time periods, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year and all those things. You can see the price chart here. Then if you come down, these are all the financial results. You want to see the quarterly results, or you can see the annual results, balance sheets and the financial ratios for different time periods. So here you can understand what are the financial performance of the company for the various timelines. Okay. Then if you come down, these are all technical analysis like all this bullish or bearish, Bollinger Bands and various technical analysis which is we know that. And then if you come down further, you can get the shareholding data, that is what is the promoter shareholding, what is the mutual fund holding, what is the financial foreign institutional investors, what is their holding in the company. So this is what you can get from this particular place. If you come down, you can see the promoters and what are their shareholding in the company. If you come down further, you can see what are the deals, bulk deals or block deals which have happened in the company in the recent past. These are the big deals, buy and sell, which has happened in the company. Then if you come down further, you can see the corporate actions, which is basically what are the dividends declared by the company over the period of time, what is the bonus given by the company if you can see, okay, and what are the board meetings which have happened. So this will give you all the timeline of various corporate actions. If you come down further, you can see what is the news about the Infosys in the market. What are the various things for which Infosys is in the news in the current market. Like Nandan Nilekani has said something, Infosys creating jobs. So here you can find out all the latest news about the company. And here this is a general sentiment of the market. How many people are recommending buy, sell and hold. So this, if you see, a lot of good quality information is available from this website, and you can actually get a lot of information and then make an informed decision when you are investing in the stock market. Apart from this, you should also check out the annual report of the company, which you can get from the company's website, or just type in the Google Infosys annual report, then you will get the link to the annual report. In the annual report, read the chairman's address, read the MD and CEO's address to the shareholders. Also read the management discussion and analysis. This will give you a lot of insights about the company, how the promoters or how the top management is thinking about the company and what are their future plans and vision for the company. Also, you should follow the quarterly results of the company, which is given every quarter and given by the companies to the SEBI and stock exchanges. You can also follow the company in the Google Feeds. In the Google Feeds or the news which you get, you can follow that particular company, so that whenever you open a Google Feeds, you can get the news about the company, whatever is happening in the currently in the market. Plus, you can also follow the company's LinkedIn pages and other social media handles, so that you come to know about any big announcements or any information about the company. So these are the various ways from which you can know and understand what is happening within the company. So I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.